Good morning to you all. And special wish go to our teachers who are now teaching you. Now I start my lecture. President of the Managing Committee, members, teachers, parents, guardians, and the student. Today is the birthday of which leader? Do you know? See, today is the birth anniversary of our second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was President of India from 63 to 67. And our President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, he is a highly qualified fellow, and also he is the philosopher, Oriental philosophy. He has mastered, and such a learned fellow we rarely get. So to pay homage to him, and also to pay homage to our teachers who are gone, and our teachers who are still here to build your future. So we are paying our homage to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and also all those teachers who are the builders, who produce the builders of the nation or the future leaders of the country. So we remember them, we pay homage to them, and from them we take the lesson, inspiration to do something for the family, for the area, for the state, and for the world. Will prepare, will study properly under the guidance of your teachers who are here to give their everything. A teacher, first of all, always think for the student, how to prepare them, how to make them good citizen of the country, how to make them disciplined, and how to encourage them to be something in life, so that we will feel proud of those teachers. I remember my teacher. I also have studied here, and I remember the first teacher who has taught me alphabet. Similarly, you will remember the teachers in your young days, and you always try to imbibe, always try to follow the teachers. So in the name of that great man, he was professor of not only one or two famous universities of India, like BHU, Kolkata University, Delhi University. He was invited by universities around the world as a visiting professor, and he has spoken in Moscow University, in Cambridge, and in Connecticut, Washington University. All those famous universities, he has been invited to give his lecture regarding Oriental philosophy, and regarding study, and regarding the study or the subject which are being taken in different universities. He was the advisor of not only our Indian university, but he was also advisor of different universities, and he was the guest lecturer, and in big functions always he used to go and deliver his lecture. So he was born on this day, on 5th September 1885, and he became a great teacher in the world. And in his name, India has up to felicitate him, to honor him. 5th September is declared as the national holiday for the students up to secondary level, and we remember him. We remember the teachers who are already gone and who are the teachers who are fighting for building the future generations. With these few words, I pay homage to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our second President of India, and also we thank and we encourage our teachers and those teachers of ours who have already gone. So it is paying homage, and at the same time we want that you will become teachers like Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, or like your teachers whom you follow.